What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book Up Entertainment. So, today at the Madlanga Commission, we got like shocking news, and it is that there is something called the Big Five cartel, because initially we had thought that Kati Somolefe and Vusumuzi Matlala we actually like on the top, like they were the ones, who were orchestrating everything. But it turns out, that there are just pawns in this entire chain, and there are actually others who are actually on top of them. And there is this chart that was actually released. It actually shows, Vusumuzi Matlala and Katiso Molefe on the left side. You go up, there is another chain there, and you even go even higher. There are others even there at the top. So though that's where the likes of Brown Mohotsi, Senzo Mchunu are actually in there, and some of these other guys have not been released like their names because the investigations are still ongoing at the moment. So what has also been revealed, is that this syndicate, it operates like a business, with recruitment, payment, member salaries, and clear roles, for this one and that one. So the SAPS obviously is working very hard, to shut down or neutralize this thing. So this was part of a 78-page document or statement that was released by Dumisani Kumalo as part of his testimony. And some of that evidence, it was very, very sensitive, and there was even a request, for it not to be heard on camera for protection reasons. So this is what he even revealed, that this cartel is even responsible for the disbandment of the PKTT, and he showed, that those guys, they had influence over both the Ministry of Police and SAPS, and they were working very hard, to disband that PKTT. So this is what has been revealed, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.